So, homeowners and potential first-time buyers of Alabaster, should you hold off on buying or selling a home? This is a question on everybody's mind, and given the buzz, it's clear why many are so hesitant. Whether you've been warned by your neighbor or are doing your own contemplation, it's worth diving deep to see the whole picture. Welcome back, everyone, and thank you for tuning in. I'm Tyler Darden. I'm a realtor right here in Birmingham, Alabama, and every week I dive deep with you into the local housing market surrounding Birmingham and examine the figures and the facts that you need to know. So if you want to stay informed about future market changes, rate updates, new developments, housing stats, please click that subscribe button, give this video a like, and ring the notification bell so you don't miss any videos coming up in the next few weeks. If you love the information in this video and would like to know more about Alabaster or another part of Birmingham, my contact info is in the description below, and I would love to answer any and all questions you have about real estate right now. And I get it, there may be a lot of them. Regardless, I will gladly advise and guide you through all the twists and the turns. So, guys, first up, our housing inventory as of this July stands at 1.93 months. What does this mean? This number is the indicator of how many months it would take to sell all existing inventory in Alabaster if no new homes went to market. And what does this mean for you? In a balanced market, that number is usually close to 6, and this shows us that our current inventory indicates a seller's market. Sellers, this is an advantage for you, of sorts. Fewer homes point to less competition, potentially driving up your sale price in certain price pockets, which I will get to momentarily. Buyers, this underscores the need for you to be ready, have your financing in order, and be prepared to make decisive offers if that opportunity presents itself. Now, why do I say sellers have an advantage of sorts? Well, all housing markets are divided into certain price brackets, 200 to 300K, 400 to 500K, 600 to 800K, and so on. But you get the gist. Well, our current data shows us that homes in the lower price brackets, those asking between 200 to 350K, are selling at a much quicker rate and in more volume than the higher price brackets like 700, 800, and higher. This is due to the size of the buyer pool in these lower price brackets. They are primarily, though not all, first-time buyers and have no need for a large home yet, or they can only afford in this price range due to the high interest rates that we currently have. The median days on market for a 200 to 350K home in Alabaster is 7 days, while in the case of a 350 to 450K range, that number falls anywhere between 35 to 40 days on market. As you can see, that huge difference there. Over the past year, our inventory has surged by over 107%. This means more homes are being listed than the past year, which, while it wasn't saying much since inventory wasn't very high then, it is a good sign. Buyers, this is great news for you. Your choices are emerging for you to pick over. Sellers, while it's still a favorable market for you, differentiate your property to make it stand out amongst your competition. Consider staging or minor renovations to add value and gain attention from that buyer. Again, you only need one. Alabaster's current list to sold price ratio is at a robust 99.7%. For sellers, this metric reflects your potential return on your investment. Pricing your property competitively can yield nearly full asking value, and in some cases, more than. As you can see, 32% of homes are selling for over asking price in Alabaster. Buyers understanding this ratio helps in formulating an offer that's both competitive and fair. On the median, homes in Alabaster are selling in 35 to 40 days. Sellers, this short time frame highlights a dry or a high demand, depending on what price bracket you stand at, as I mentioned before. Ensuring your home is show ready from day one can lead to quicker offers. Buyers in those 200 to 350K price brackets know that it is competitive, and you need to be prepared and have an expert advisor you trust who can win for you quickly and decisively in crunch time and negotiations and beat out those other offers. The median sold price is currently at $315,000. This isn't just a number. Sellers, this gives you a ballpark of where other homes are in the area are falling into. Buyers, this guides your budgeting and expectations for Alabaster's market as you begin your search for your first or next opportunity. Knowledge is power, especially in the real estate world. I crafted these insights for you guys just to give those of you who are watching an edge in your market. Whether you're buying or you're selling, I'm here to guide and support your dreams every step of the way, and I promise you, you will be informed, prepared, and winning in your local market no matter what. If you have any questions, thoughts, or you're ready to leap into action, reach out to me. Let's craft your playbook and strategize this thing together. That's how you win in this tough market and become the one that's holding the keys at the end of the day. Thank you all again so much for tuning in to this market update and giving my channel some love. If you thought there was a lot of value in what you saw today, what I shared with you today, I do these every single week and I look forward to it. And I look forward to helping you guys and helping you understand what's going on. So if you look forward to seeing more content like this, hit that like button, hit the subscribe button, leave a comment if you're feeling it. Ring the notification bell so you don't miss a single video I put out from here on out. And with that, I'll head out and be seeing you guys next week with an all new property tour you're not going to want to miss. Stay blessed, y'all. Hey guys, this is just a bonus. If you liked that Alabaster housing market update, I've actually got an open house in Alabaster tomorrow, Saturday, August 26th from 2 to 4 p.m. So if you're in town or you're just out and about, or maybe you're thinking about buying an Alabaster now after seeing the condition of the market, seeing that it has favorable conditions for you and your spouse or your family, and you're thinking about it now, but you want to start with an open house, something easy instead before committing to a showing or something like that. Come on out, 2 to 4 p.m. I'll be there to answer any and all of your questions about the housing market in Alabaster, as well as just that particular home. This home is 146 Broadmoor Lane. 146 Broadmoor Lane. It's in the Weatherly community over in Alabaster. This home has got 2,250 square feet, about a 500 of that being just the finished basement. It has a full bedroom and full bathroom in the basement, which is not counted into the house's total number of bed and bath. It's actually 3 bed and 3.5 bath without counting that extra bedroom. With that extra bedroom, it would be 4 bed. So you can turn that downstairs space into whatever you want. There's really no limit to the possibilities you could use that space for. So come on out. Let me answer your questions. You might like the property and you'll get to meet me. So I appreciate y'all listening. And until the next video, y'all have a blessed one and happy house hunting.